Okay, so we want to solve this problem on binary operation. That says an operation on the set of integers is defined by a asterisk b equals a squared plus b squared minus 2a. And we're asked to evaluate or to find 2 asterisk 3 bracket open and close, then operation on the fourth one, on number 4. So how do we solve this? Now we have a operating with b on a squared plus b squared minus 2a. And then we are asked to evaluate 2 asterisk 3 and then 4. Now at this point, we can't carry all of them together. First, we work on 2 asterisk 3. That's our main aim. 2 asterisk 3. So we take A to be 2 and then take B to be 3. We'll come back to 4. So that will imply that A square is 2 square plus B square is 3 square minus 2 bracket 2. So this will give us 4 plus 9 minus 4, and that will give us 9. So what that means is that 2 asterisk 3 asterisk 4 is now 2 asterisk 3 is 9, then asterisk 4. Fine. So we now move forward again by saying that our A is 9 and our B is 4. So our A now, so what we have now is that A now is 9 and B now is 4. We can use that to work on A square plus B square minus 2A. So our A now is 9, so we have 9 square plus our B now is 4, which is 4 square minus 2 times 9. Now 9 square is 81, 4 square is 16, 2 times 9 is 18. So 81 plus 6 will give you 97. 97 minus 18 will give us 79. Therefore, the value of 2 asterisk 3 when operated on the above function or operation is 79.